Hi, I've received a question regarding the Amtech folding utility knife. That's stock code S0287. The question was, how do you fit a blade in it? So I'll just spend a moment showing you how you install the blade. The knife comes, when you take it out of the packaging, it looks like that. There is no blade inserted. Underneath this red cover are the replacement and spare blades. There's a little lever here, a little sliding lever with an arrow on it. When you press that inwards, this plastic cover pings up, and inside here are the blades. So I'll just carefully take one blade out, close the latch down, and the blades are securely stored in there. You now pick the blade up, and there's a slot in the end of the stainless steel holder, knife holder here. So if you insert the blade in, it rests at that point, and just here you might see where my finger is, there's a little tab of metal and there's a sign of a padlock machined into the stainless steel. You press down with your thumb, so in that direction, okay? Not down in that direction, so down here. So if I just press down on that, you can slide the blade in now fully, so it's level here, release, and it's locked on one of those two little cutouts in the top of the blade. So that's as quick and easy as it is. Just to show you again, I'll remove the blade, press down on that little latch, little tab of metal. There you can see the two indentations I was referring to. So literally in, press the latch down, it's now firmly engaged, and to fold the knife, you pull the top latch and it's now secure in there. I hope that was of some help. If not, please go to amtechdiy.com and we look forward to answering any more questions you have.